Hello guys. Welcome to Quarter K channel. Guys, here I am going to say an important thing about the upcoming video. From next video we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic in hacking. The topic is man-in-the-middle attacks. The man-in-the-middle attacks are the type of post-connections attacks. This man in the middle is also known as MITM. Now let's talk about what is man in the middle. Guys, before going to the next topic, I have a request that please subscribe to Quarter K and click on bell icon to have more updates on hacking. Okay guys, let's continue with the present topic. A man-in-the-middle attack is a general term for when a perpetrator positions himself in a conversation between a user and an application, either to eavesdrop or to impersonate one of the parties, making it appear as if a normal exchange of information is underway. Let us derive this in a simple way. Let us assume that you are a hacker and a victim is some X-person. Both of you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Here you have a medium of Wi-Fi. By this medium you will enter into the middle of their connections. After intercepting into the medium, you can watch all the data or username or password or file what they are downloading or uploading. And even you can modify the data of all the things in the transferring in the victim computer and also place an evil code and access the computer whenever you want. There are a number of tools for man in the middle. We can find a lot of tools in GitHub website and also have inbuilt software in Kali Linux machine. Thank you guys for watching this video. In further videos you can have a clear understanding about the man in the middle attacks and also what are the tools we are using for man in the middle attacks. To know more about hacking and programming, please visit our website quarterk.com and also subscribe to our channel Quarter K and click on bell icon. To get more motivation and boost up to do more videos like this, please like this video. Please support our channel by sharing with your friends, by the way we can reach to more members.